I guess today I'm
This
playing.
motorcycle is one of the reasons bakit naghahanap ang mga motorcycle riders ng automatic scooter convenience without giving a sport bike attitude kind of experience. Mga bossing, ito nga pala si Yamaha Aerox version 3, standard version at si SP version. And sa video ito, pag-usapan natin ang specs and key features ng mga motorsiklo ito. First impression dito in regards to comfortability, affordability, and usability. Who is this best for? Whether si Aerox V3 man yan, standard version, or yung SP version. 3 things that I like and what good things to improve for these motorcycles. And our final thoughts regarding this motorcycle. Whether it's a good motorcycle option or a must-buy motorcycle kind of decision. Pero bago natin simulan yan, ang Yamaha Aerox 155 standard version is priced around 125,900 pesos, while si Yamaha Aerox SP version is 153,900 pesos. And wala replace na color ng Yamaha, pero isa color lang yung guys Yamaha. Yung color ni Yamaha Aerox. Samantalang Yamaha color black, Yamaha gray blue, and Yamaha red ang colors ng standard versions na ito. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang specs and key features. This motorcycle have a 155cc displacement na naka-liquid cooled and the power of 15.2 horsepower at 8,000 RPM with the torque of 14.2 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Yung compression ratio niya naman is naka 11.6:1, while yung force stroke niya is 68 by 58.7 and the fuel capacity of 5.5 liters. Yung wet weight natin dito is 130 kg mga boss. At sa Yamaha, bibigyan na nga pala tayo dito with a single overhead cam and 4 valves na support and an installation of ang ganda. So, i-base mo tayo mga boss natin Yamaha standard version 1 kay Yamaha SP is na last front ABS. Nakasipin naman tayo Yamaha Aerox standard version. While naka Yamaha ECVT tayo dito kay Yamaha or YCC. Both are naka-FI. Meron tayong USB charging port socket dito with an ACD starter and auto start stop. A new headlight upgrade from Yamaha version 3 na with an LCD screen and standard yung pupunan mo. And naka-TFT naman if naka-SP version yung pupunan mo. Pag-usapan naman natin yung dimensions dito. Seat height ni Yamaha Aerox standard version is naka 790 mm with the ground clearance of 145 mm and 1,350 mm of space. Front tires niya is naka 110 by 40, while yung rear tires niya is naka 140 by 70 by 50. And just to let you know mga bosses na pareho lang sila ng dimension Yamaha standard version and Yamaha Aerox standard version. And pag-usapan natin ang base Aerox TT. Ang unang-una sa lahat, around this price, meron na tayong disc brakes dito. So it gives a lot of improvement talaga compared sa previous ones and sa other motorcycles. We also have a larger 13mm inner tube front fork, then it means more confidence. The upgraded 30mm from front fork kasi galing sa 26mm boost rigidity and steering response. So it means na-enhance niya and nata-translate to the next natin dyan super wide mag-i-increase yung road grip natin dito, especially sa mga cornering, may stability tayo dito, and medyo mas sportier and more aggressive yung stance natin if gamit natin to. May dagdag na rin pala tayong electric power socket dito na USB-C yung kanyang power socket. Sa may left wrist natin to nakalagay para madaling abutin kapag mag-charge tayo while nagra-ride tayo. Last but not the least is that it has a 5.5 liter tank capacity that allows us to ride longer and enjoy our trip without gassing up a lot of times. Hindi rin naman magpapatalo yung convenient underseat storage natin dito which has 24.5 liters of space, Nakasha at XL full face helmet plus extra essentials such as mga gloves or jacket na pwedeng bumili dito and pagkakasya. Meron tayo refined 155cc DBA for engine dito which shares the same DNA sa mga SP version. Last but not the least mga boss, sa Yamaha standard version, meron siyang One Connect smartphone integration. naka-receive tayo ng real-time data dito about our fuel efficiency, ating engine diagnostics, battery status, and maintenance reminders, and even saan man tayo naka-last park sa ating location sa motor na to para hindi tayo mag-snap lagi sa motor natin if ever na-park man natin to sa medyo malayo. Napakalaking tulong na feature na yan at na standard version kind of motorcycle. So, isa to sa mga magugulat talaga feature na tayo ni Yamaha Aerox na version. Ngayon naman, usapan natin ang Yamaha Aerox SP feature specs na napaganda talaga kasi from Aerox standard version mas kita nyo. So, first is a Yamaha Electric CVT or YECVT technology. This combines and delivers a more responsive ride where it offers heightened acceleration and sensation with the refined throttle feels. So with the VVA on board, the engine easily adjusts different parameters na mag-optimize sa ating performance and also our fuel efficiency.
Okay.
Meron na rin tayong 3-level downshift control where may experience mo yung dynamics when you choose between the 3 shift